Strada Series Limited Edition and Alpha Glass are an unbeatable pair for 360-degree protection and style. Install your case first by slipping the bottom of your phone into the bottom of the case, lining up buttons and ports with case openings. Then, press your phone into the case, working around the edges, securing all corners into the case. Now let's install your Alpha Glass. To begin, thoroughly clean your screen with the included alcohol wipe. Then dry it with the included microfiber wipe. Take Alpha Glass, hold it along the edges, and use the tab to peel off the protective film. Carefully align Alpha Glass on your phone, making sure all features line up, and lay it onto the screen. If your first attempt doesn't go as planned, you have up to 5 minutes to remove and reapply the screen protector. Use your finger to press out any bubbles toward the edges. That's it! Your phone is now protected. To remove your case, start by pulling it away from your phone at one corner and gently peel it away from your device. There you have it, OtterBox Strada Series Limited Edition with Alpha Glass.